Want to permanently delete your Beacons.ai account? It's a straightforward process, but crucial to follow the steps carefully. As of late 2025, Beacons.ai requires you to export your data before deleting your account, complying with data privacy regulations like GDPR. First, log into your Beacons.ai dashboard. Navigate to Account Settings, then Data and Privacy. You'll see an option to export data. This will download a zip file containing all your profile analytics, link-click data, custom content, and integration settings. Make sure to store this file securely as it contains your information. After you've successfully downloaded your data, return to the Data and Privacy section and select Permanently Delete Account. You will need to verify the deletion via email or SMS. This two-step verification prevents accidental closures. Remember, this action is irreversible, so ensure you've backed up everything you need. All your beacons and data will be erased within 30 days. Before deleting your Beacons.ai account, understand the implications. This is a permanent action. Unlike deactivating, which simply hides your beacon, deletion removes all your data from Beacons.ai's servers, including backups. This aligns with your right to erasure under GDPR. Once deleted, your account cannot be reinstated. The data export file you download is password protected. Keep it safe to prevent unauthorized access to your information. Be aware of current trends. Rising privacy consciousness means more users are deleting accounts from various platforms. Beacons.ai's mandatory export feature reflects this trend and regulatory pressures to provide user-centric controls. Also, deleting unused accounts helps reduce your digital carbon footprint. Finally, if you have any problems or questions, check the Beacons.ai official help center for the latest updates.